Writing end-to-end tests is hard. Selenium boilerplate, flaky selectors, maintenance nightmares. What if you could just provide a commit or a code change and all the related tests are identified and executed? That's exactly what DevAssure does. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to set it up from scratch inside Cursor, make code changes, and watch the agent write or edit tests for this finance platform in YAML, run them, and show you the reports. No Selenium, no Playwright config. O2 watches your code diff and understands the intent of the changes made. It goes through every changed file and understands the flow and also the blast radius. It builds a dependency graph and then identifies the tests that need to be executed. If there are tests that are already existing, O2 checks the relevant tests and edits them. If not, it creates new tests. After that, the tests are executed and a detailed report is generated. All of this happens autonomously. Here's the app we're testing. It's a full-stack finance platform. React plus TypeScript front-end, Node back-end, Postgres. Within your Cursor IDE, go to Extensions to install the DevAssure's O2 extension. These are the code changes that I will be testing using DevAssure's O2 agent. Within the DevAssure extension, you will be able to see an option called Test Commit. Select the commit you want to test, and O2 takes care of the rest. It first analyzes the code changes, understands the context of the changes, identifies impacted components, and generates the tests. It then executes the tests. The browser resolution, headed mode, parallel sessions, test data can all be configured in the YAML files that you see on the left pane. Test cases are all written in plain English in YAML files, and those can be edited too. If you want to perform operations like API calls, database validations, code can be written for such actions and called within the tests. They can be specified at the global level, as well as for independent tests. The agent does all of this autonomously and still gives you the control to configure and customize it as per your needs. O2 will evolve into being every developer's QA. At the end of the execution, you get a detailed report with all the failures grouped and a complete session timeline for every test that the agent executed. From the logs, you will be able to understand the agent's thinking, and if you feel it has misinterpreted any of the test actions, you can instruct the agent to modify its behavior. Both the execution agent and the analysis agent come with a layer of intuitiveness that makes O2 unique and behave like a QA engineer.